Welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video, we're going to be looking at temperature converting between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So here I have a recipe for making meringues, and in the very first instruction it says to heat the oven to 120 degrees Celsius. Now my oven doesn't have Celsius written on it, it only has Fahrenheit, so I need to convert that into Fahrenheit so I know what to put my dial to. So this is the process that we use. So we take our value in Celsius, we multiply by 1.8, and then we add 32 to it. So my amount in Fahrenheit then will be 120 multiplied by 1.8, and then take that result and add 32 to it. So I've got that in the calculator already. When I work that out, it's 248. So my answer in Fahrenheit is 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I've shown you the formula there to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's have a look at it as a flow diagram so we can see how to go the other way. So from Celsius to Fahrenheit then, we take our amount in C, multiply by 1.8, add 32, and then I get my amount F in Fahrenheit. If I was to go the other way, I would return back to Celsius. So I take my amount in Fahrenheit, subtract 32, divide by 1.8, and then I end up with my amount in Celsius. So another way of describing that would be Celsius equals Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. So let's try that then with an example. Here's another set of instructions for making meringues. And in step one it says to preheat the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees Celsius. Now I just wanted to check that the maths was right on this. Okay, so here's the calculation we need to do. We take the amount in Fahrenheit, 275, and then we subtract 32 and divide by 1.8. And if we check that in the calculator, it comes to 135. So the amount in Celsius is actually 135 degrees Celsius. So 140 is not a bad estimate for that. And if you've not got a dial that's that accurate, then 140 wouldn't be too far away from the actual figure. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube, and don't forget the website mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.